I didn't go into it thinking I was going to do something funny. I picked an old piece of music. I picked a Schumann piano concert piece. And the music just has these crazy change-ups where the mood completely shifts so quickly that to get from happy to angry or angry to happy, the only thing that can happen is like somebody falls over. So it really just turned into a comedy ballet. It was hard for me to really see anything else once I started making it. It's a complicated piano piece. I asked Cameron Grant if he would play it. He was like, this is a hard piece, but yeah, if I have enough time, I have just enough time, I'll come into your rehearsals and practice with you and we'll make it together. I had to put him in the ballet. So to me, he's Schumann, and it's him imagining what's happening on stage. But I have excellent dancers. They have so much personality. Everyone's sweet and willing and game to do something strange. Unity Phelan's in my ballet. She's gorgeous. She has these beautiful lines. Miriam Miller's so long and tall and gorgeous, and I love getting her to do weird things. Preston Chambly, I love working with him. He's such a good person to have in the studio. India Bradley, she's brand new to New York City Ballet, and she's so talented. It's all New York City Ballet except for one, Barton Cowperthwaite. And he has this crazy, unique way of moving because he started in hip hop and then tap and then went into ballet later and does a lot of contemporary work. I think that's when the humor started coming out. It was like I added this yeast to the mix and it just started turning into something else. If I was going to be somewhere learning something new, I'd want it to be Vail. Even though it's really hard, it's also positive and supportive. We've had such a fun time making this ballet. Every single day has been such a joy. We smile and we laugh and we come up with cool ideas. It's just a really good time on stage.